Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramalu. So please subscribe it before watching this video. Okay, so today's topic is properties of B. B means a magnetic flux, magnetic field or magnetic field induction, curl and a divergence of B. So properties, there are the two properties, one is a curl property, other one is a divergence property. These two properties we have to explain here. So first one, divergence of B. B means magnetic field or magnetic induction or magnetic flux density. Divergence of a magnetic flux density del dot B is the limiting value of magnetic flux density across any elementary closed surface, right? It is a, so what is this? See here, divergence of magnetic flux density means del dot B is a limiting value, so it is a maximum value of magnetic flux only. So magnetic flux maximum value, the flux density across any elementary closed surface. Any elementary means any closed small surface, ds, around the point to the volume of enclosure when the latter is contracted on that point. Okay, so here see del dot B is, so total this word is belongs to this only. Okay, see here, del dot B is what? Integral B dot ds by del V. Del V is the volume of enclosure or considered enclosure. Divergence of magnetic flux density is the limiting value of magnetic flux density across any elementary closed surface. Elementary means small, so that is why small ds is taken. Around the point 2 means division line, 2 the volume of the enclosure when the latter is contracted on that point. Okay, when latter is small, when it is contracted means when it is become small. Okay, so that is the del dot B is equals to limit delta V tends to 0, integral B dot ds by del V. So where del V indicates the volume enclosed by the elementary areas. For small area volume it is. Magnetic field over a closed surface is always 0. Magnetic field over a closed surface is never present, so it is always how much? It is 0 only. So integral B dot ds is equals to 0. It is. Applying Gauss divergence theorem, so that is why it is a divergence of B. Applying Gauss divergence theorem is what here it is given. Integral B dot ds equals to integral del dot B ds. Okay, so if it is a curl, if it is a volume, is area is converted into volume, actually it is integral B dot ds equals to del dot, it is a del V, not ds, that is a dv. Why? Because area is two double integral, area is converted into volume only, so that is why dv, that is not ds. And integral b dot dv is equals to 0, then del dot b is equals to 0, del dot product means divergence, so di b is equals to 0. So it is in differential form. Okay, it is short form, it is symbol form, it is full form. Divergence of B is 0. Above equation indicates that monopole doesn't exist, so magnetic pole always exists in pair form only. Okay, so single pole means cannot available S single and N cannot available single. Suppose if we have the small piece, that piece also contain N and S, not single S, not single N. So in single form it cannot explain, it cannot exist. That is the meaning of this del dot B is equals to 0. Next, curl. The current I enclosed by a path enclosing surface S can be written as, so we know the what actually current density denoted by J is equals to current by area, right? Current by area. So here area is, we have to write with S only, right? Suppose if you it is a j is equals to, if you have the small di by small area ds, so integrating on both sides, what do you get? Or di is equals to what di is equals to j ds, integrate on both sides, what do you get? Integration differentiation cancel, I is equals to integral j dot ds, right? So like this we get. Let it is equation 1 where j is current density. Next, from Ampere's law. Ampere's law is B dot dl is equals to mu naught into I. So that is Ampere's law. Okay. And here in the place of I, take this value and substitute here. Okay, already I value we know. This I value, take and substitute here. Then we get this one. Keep it like this. Take Stokes theorem. So in Stokes theorem, you see here length means one dimension is converted to 2 dimensions. So but in divergence, ds is converted into dv. So there one mistake is already explaining where the mistake is taken. And see here, Stokes theorem is b dot dl is equals to del cross dot ds. See here, so here cross product has come, okay, there but dot product, so that is why curl property it is. And see here, in the place of this we can substitute this one and we can make these two equal. So like this we get later. And ds integral, so in the place of del cross b, what you have? Mu naught into j. So mu naught into j. So this is the differential form of Ampere's law. Del cross b is equals mu naught into j, or del cross b can also be written as curl b is equals to, also curl b is equals to mu naught into j. Okay, del cross b means curl. Next, properties. What are the properties? Are see here. First property, magnetic field is formed due to steady current or moving charge. Here magnetic field is because of steady current, or either current or moving charges only. Next, second point, in magnetic field del dot b is 0, so that flux over a closed surface is 0. That means what? Magnetic monopole cannot exist due to the non-existence of any source or sink of magnetic lines of force. Okay, so single cannot present, single north cannot present, single south cannot present. Third point, in case of magnetic field, del cross b is mu naught is equals to mu naught into j. So magnetic field is not conservative. Conservative means del cross b is equals to 0. If it is 0, then it is conservative. It is not 0, so that is why it is not conservative. Non-conservative it is. So okay friends, thank you.